Kawai! Fish on! Guys, good morning! Up! Si Jongski guys ang ating driver doon. Dito tayo ngayon sa bridge guys. What's up guys? Welcome back guys! Fishing na naman guys. Wala yung uniform ni Jongski guys.
Sorry guys sasabihin ko sa inyo totoo. Last na nag-fishing ako 2 months ago. Hanggang ngayon di pa nalabahan.
Huwag mo sabihin yan. Sabihin nila yung bagra mo Jong. Guys, walang English ngayon ha.
Wala.
All Filipino guys. So, ay, lock naman ka rin ha. Guys, magpipishing kami ni Jong guys. Ang target namin ni species ni Jong, ano? Alam mo ano?
Mangrove.
Pag Filipino ang trip guys, mangrove lang yan.
Mangrove lang yan
Hindi kami nagahuli ng iba. Pero pag meron dyan, pag nanawa na kami manghuli ng...
Malay mo, makachamba kami niya sa lunang tuna.
Pwede ba yun, Jong?
Pag yan, nakakuha tayo ng tuna dyan, lako po.
Viral kami guys, viral.
10 million views noon.
Mas viral pa kami kay Yana guys, sigurado.
Now you tell me. Gano'n ba yan? Damas. Sabi ko niya dun sa ano.
Yun na lagi pa naging damas eh.
Ngayon, iyak siya ngayon.
Yun lang. Guys, anyway, magpipishing tayo ngayon. Shout out nga pala yan sa mga tropa natin sa Pilipinas. Estrella del Norte Anglers, I'm coming. Wait for me. Shout out sa kay Salty Inc, kay Al, kay Jojo. Shout out din nga pala sa tropa natin dyan sa... Oh, yung trip natin sa San Vicente ha. Ihanda nyo yung mga gear natin dyan. Dadalang ko naman yun hanggang ngayon yung daing niya. Diyan pa rin.
Bus na sir.
Bus na? Ay, ang dami ko pa stock doon.
Oo.
Yung pusit.
Yun ang masarap.
Ano ba yung pusit ba yun? Hindi yung green cheese na ano.
Pinaano ko yun sir?
Ha?
Yung pusit, piniprito ko
guys,
lang.
pinaalunan kami guys sa isang bangka. Iniinggit sa amin guys eh. Kasi mga batikan kami sila, hindi eh. Joke only. Hey guys, inaalunan kami guys. So palibasin malaking bangka nila. Bukas bibili kami malaking bangka.
Para tayo nasa 40 miles
Guys, asusuka na ako.
Basta ang motto namin, di ba rin susuka, wag na susuko.
Shout out nga pala dyan. Puro kalakuhan si Jong eh. Shout out muna tayo. Shout out to my boy Osway. He's in Guyana right now. Shout out nga pala dyan sa homie ko dyan sa Singapore. Nag-iisang utol ko yun na malupit, na mas gwapo sa akin. Ay hindi, mas gwapo ako sa kanya guys. Shout out kay Carl.
Hey Osway, come home bro, come home.
Oh, here we go.
Ganda kami.
Shout out sa iba natin mga tropang mga mandaragat na hindi natin na-mention. Here we go baby, here we go. Woo!
Shout out po sa amin sa Pilipinas. Sa magulang ko, sa nanay ko po na nagpadala ng kain. Saka sa bayan ko na nagpadala ng Alaminos Longganisa.
Few moments later, 2,000 years later, 1 eternity later.
Oh, no.
You're gonna be in YouTube again. Yeah. Hey, look at that orange thing in there. Good. We just got here. No, not yet. I'm about to, but you stopped me. Yeah.
I know who you are.
Yeah, it's okay. Hey, this is a good content though.
Huh?
It's a good content for me. Yeah, right, that one. Guys.
Recently or no?
Huh? Yes. 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
Yeah. And you remember you took all the old receipt I got, and you give me just one.
I did?
Maybe not you, but one of you guys.
I got you.
You're all the same size. You're the same clothes and everything.
Different crews, so I don't know what they do.
Yeah. Guys.
It's a beautiful day today.
I know.
The storm came
It rained last night though.
It's nice now though.
Hey, can you give me a new one so that somebody, if you pull over me next time, I got a new one. Guys, I got in trouble, guys. I got stopped by Coast Guard, guys. We're gonna be viral today.
Yeah, this
Can you handcuff him?
This one's good. Until...
Can you handcuff him?
So that... Do you want a new one?
Yeah, please, so that I don't have to. I don't have to worry about getting pulled over next time. Come on.
Registration and your driver's license, please.
Driver's license, right here.
No, just his stuff. Yeah.
The registration is inside that
Oh,
Ziploc.
the registration.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can take your driver's license. Thank you.
Oh, I got it right here.
Guys, we got boarded by Coast Guard, guys. This is the Coast Guard. That's a perfect example. You know, like Coast Guard from other side. They call Tyrant, whatever that thing is.
Yeah.
Like this is the friendly neighborhood Coast Guard, guys.
We're the good. We're good.
We're the good guys. I remember you told me one time I have a fuel problem in Brazos. I don't know, one of you guys.
One of us did?
Yeah, you followed me all the way to the dock.
Oh, okay.
And it didn't even charge me or anything. I'm like, okay, here we go. I guess they're nice.
While you fill this out, can I see 2 life jackets, please?
In the side, right side,
Right here?
and whistle here. Horn is kind of like maybe burly, and then I got a fire extinguisher.
Yep, you got 2.
And then what else we have?
You have a throwable?
Yes,
Push it.
right here
Cool.
on the side.
Can you pull it out for me? Thank you.
What else do you use?
Yeah, these are good. You can put these away. Good. As long as it says Coast Guard approved,
Okay.
and you're good. So
All right.
this is good for now. It still works, but you can see the sun.
Yeah,
starting to
okay,
fade
yeah,
it, So
yeah.
over time, it'll start to fall apart.
But it doesn't matter what color.
Nope.
Okay, that one is kind of like
You can have
camouflage thing.
camouflage, blue, green, whatever color you want.
Perfect.
Whatever
All right.
color matches your boat. You know?
I got a new one too.
Okay, cool. Let me just pull it out.
Yeah, the other one is kind of like corroded in the bottom, so I'm like,
it's so much salt here. It's
yeah.
2022. Good to go. Cool. Put this back for you.
Guys, if you see Coast Guard, guys, don't be scared, okay?
Yeah, good guy.
Not at least if you put something in there that they might see it.
You got a horn, right?
I got horn, barely,
yeah,
but I got a whistle.
Yeah.
I got flares also.
Perfect. Cool. Let's check them real quick.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, like check it. You got a day flag. Got your beacon.
This is what they're looking for. What do you call this thing?
That's the day distress flag.
Oh, just okay.
This is the night LED flash.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a good content today.
You got flares down there. I like your dry bag. Everything stays nice and dry.
I know. And it's orange
Well,
also.
stuff's always gets salty and corroded. And
Right? Well, it's,
yeah, usually they're good for about 3 years. So like it'll have. So they were manufactured in May of 2021, and then
oh, not on the package,
yeah,
on the player
it's on the
itself.
flare. That's why they have this clear spot so you can see,
Oh, okay.
but keep it sealed.
All right. And you're gonna have to tell me your name, guys.
I'm Petty Officer Effinger. Petty Officer Wilson.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Ay, pison.
Ay, piso na nga, Jong. Yung malaking mangrove ito, Jong. Yung
Ay,
malaking
putya, nakawala.
yung malaking mangrove, Jong.
Nakawala sa akin. Putris na yan.
Guys. Guys, naunahan ko na naman si Jong, guys.
Hindi tama to. Hindi tama to.
Guys, naunahan ko si Jong, guys.
Binigyan niya ako ng floater, oh. Alam niya yung install, oh. Tignan mo, guys.
Guys, naunahan ko si Jong, guys.
Guys,
Guys, si Jong, guys, darakol, guys. Jong, darakol. Kulay pula, guys.
guys. Bulok pa yung pahay niya. Bulok pa yan.
Pakita Jong. Pakita mo rito. Boom, 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 boom. Tinitelescope tayo ng Coast Guard, Jong.
Swerte namin sa Coast Guard, ah.
Guys, pag nahuli ka ng Coast Guard, guys, bibigyan kayo ng pagpapala. Ayan, oh. Manger. Yes, sir. Guys, si Jong guys, nakahuli guys. Yan, marking. Ayun na naman! Ayun na Jong! Ayun na Jong! Ayun na Jong! Ah, wala na. Finish ng laban guys. Wala na. Uy, malaki-laki yan Jong. Ay, trout Jong, trout. Trout. Nice trout. Nice trout Jong, nice trout. Laki. Dandahan lang Jong, dandahan lang. Guys, a big trout guys. Big trout. Dandahan lang Jong, dandahan lang. Lapit dito Jong, reel konti. Yeah! Laki!
Bishong!
Jong, papasok sa 20 Jong. Yes sir!
Ano dapat sir?
Kailangan 20 or less. Yan, tingin ko Jong, papasok ng 20. Or mukhang malaki. Over 20 guys. Oh no! Guys, 21 guys. Hindi pwedeng i-keep guys. Sakit sa dibdib. Oh no! Sarap mo! Yung i-revive mo bago mo ihulog
Paano sir?
Yung bunga nga, papasukan mo ng tubig. Guys, kanya mag-release ng trout Do not release your trout right away because you're gonna kill that guy. Yan, nagabaloktot na yung buntot.
Oo.
Sige, ako na dyan.
Pwede na.
Para na. Malalaman mo dyan pag nagalaban na siya.
Naka-release na.
Yan, nagbaloktot ng buntot. Yan ang good sign na yan. Okay, release.
Ang laki papi.
Woo! Bye! There you go.
Dapat 20. Ano?
Jong, Pishon, Jong. Bahala ka dyan, Jong. Pishon ako. Guys, pishon ako, guys. Ay, maliit na trout. Maliit na trout, baby. Baby trout, guys. Huwag naman ganito kaliit. Huwag na. Ninunok pa talaga. Oh. Ano sila lahat, Jong? Ay, pula, Jong, pula. Kita ko pula, Jong, Huwag mo ibuhat dyan, Jong. Dito mo, Jong. Buhat sa likod. Angatan, Jong, kaya baka makawala. Jong, piso din. Jong, piso din ako. Guys, kahit saan ang isla, guys. Wow. Ay, liliit ng trout food. Liliit, boy. Marami kasi maliliit, guys. Oh. Guys, alam ko guys kung nasa ng mangrove guys. Oh, nasa likod Jong, doon ka magtapon Jong. Palitan mo yun Jong. Tapos doon ka magtapon sa likod. Hindi, ano, palitan mo yung paa niya. Guys, ang dami mangrove guys. Palitan mo ng bago Jong, turo ko saan ng spot. 12 ito. Ay, 11 guys, 11. Pinirito na yun guys. Jong, huli Jong, malaki Jong, dadakol Jong. Ay, trout Jong. Trout yung galaw na to, trout.
Oo.
Sabi na nga trout Sabi ko iba yung galaw
Hindi trout
Okay, so? Wee! See that? Guys, fishing si Jong guys. Sabi ko guys, karating lang namin dito guys. Perfect size yan Jong. Perfect size. Yung angat Jong, tandaan niya kasi yung rod yan, malambot. Guys, katatapon lang ni Jong yan guys. Guys. Sige Jong, andahan dyan. Siya yan Yes. Bantay mo Jong ang dulo ng rod ko Jong. Jong pang ano yung pang flounder na rod. Hindi yan yung ano, hindi yung heavy duty. Yan na Jong. Yun na Jong. Yung kagat na Jong. Wala na guys, finish na guys. Finish na guys. Leave it na kami. Uy, huwag ka dyan pumunta strolling. Langya ka. Jong, natalon Jong Ay, baby na trout. Baby. Ha? Tingin mo? 15. Ay, Jong, catch and release Jong. Tingin mo, release agad. Adjust pa ni Jong kasi nagkakagulo-gulo na. Kasi mo sa paa ni Jong nagkakagulo-gulo. Uy. Kita mo Jong? Sinakpan yung bait ko? Na-miss niya?
Ano kaya yan?
Trout yun? Na-miss niya Jong? Yung nakawala guys, huli natin. The Revenge of the Fallen.
Hindi ko lang yung gira.
Oh, Jong, sabi ko sa'yo, Jong eh.
Dali na.
Ay, dadakol ito, Jong. Jong, dadakol ito. Oversize ito, Jong. Guys, dadakol guys. Ay, malaki ito, Jong. Kailangan natin ng net, Jong. Net, oh. Kailangan natin net. Kaya ito guys, ano to? Gator trout ito. Yung ganitong galaw. Kung hindi ito redfish ha, gator trout ito. Trout ka, Jong. Uy, oh, laki. Nakikita nyo guys. Ay, redfish, Jong.
Tanggal naman na.
Yung redfish, Jong. Redfish. Ay, redfish nga. Huli ka kay Jong.
Sariwang-sariwa. Ay, ang
Papasok ng 20, Jong.
ang ganda ng itsura, sir.
Yung tingin mo papasok ng 20?
Sir. Oo nga, sir, malakas na yung kami yan kasi ano, big-wheel lang, no?
Guys, ito guys, mga 18 lang ito. Guys, sabi, alam ko talaga isda, Jong. Oh? Sabi ko 18. Ayan, 18 guys, oh. Di kami nagbibiro. Record guys, sorry. Guys, ganda. Trout ito.
5 seconds.
Redfish, Jong. Redfish, Jong.
Ipis ulit.
Redfish ulit. Redfish nga.
Mali.
Yun, sana yung sunod. Ang laki. Kala ko pa naman. Trout.
5, 5.
What is going on here? That's a big boat right there.
Pag tayo bilang ganyan, para lang sila nakasakasa ng malaki.
Guys, mabuti na lang guys, may arkilado akong kapitan guys. Oh.
Go!
And look who I found here. My mentor guys.
Hey, Richard. How
You know who
doing?
that is? Captain Jamie guys.
Oh, angler.
Woo!
Alright.
What you got?
Oh, I ain't got crab. Gary caught his 100th flounder a while ago. Battery on here. And
Yes.
I ordered me a couple of more of these batteries. And
Hi Jerry.
I tell you, you caught.
Tell me about the 100 flounder you caught.
Caught it 3 today, made 100.
That's a quota.
This January.
Since January, huh?
Let's say January for about 24 trips.
Hey, not bad. It means you're catching minimum of 5.
Yeah.
I caught 9 Sunday
Ooh, how about that?
in about an hour.
That's crazy, guys. We're not telling you the spot, guys. I'm sorry.
I like that little.
Sir, can you show me that trick?
A few moments later.
Malaki na naman, Jong.
Oh?
Malaki na naman. Paano ba ito, Jong? Hindi natin pwede makita. Jong, net, Jong, net. Ay, Jong, hindi, Jong. Keeper to. Keeper to, keeper. Keeper ito. Ay, keeper to, guys. That's keeper.
Ay, nakatira.
Oh, yes, sir. Jong, keeper yan, boy. Jong, keeper yan, Jong. Guys, sigurado to, keeper to. Tulungan kitang tagalin yung hook na yan. Huwag ka malikot. Pag naglikot ka, 16 ito, guys. Oh, 16 and a half, guys. Hindi ako bibiro. Oh, ebidensya. 16 and a half, Jong. This size imedia. Yes, sir. Dalawa na, guys, oh. Dalawa na yan, oh. Magkapatid na yan, guys, ha. I don't know. Guys, meow, 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 meow. Jong? Malaki. Drakol, Jong. Drakol. Ay, good size, Jong. Drakol. Ay, andito sila, Jong. Andito yung malalaki, Jong.
Sinabi lang na alis tayo.
Jong, andito yung malalaki. Sa may huli, Jong. Guys, ano to? This is 7. 16 and a half again. Woo! We'll take it. Jong, tatlo na lang, Jong. Tatlo na. Lalarga na, Jong. Tatlo na lang, Jong. Darakol, Jong. Malaki ito, Jong. Jong, malaki ito. Monster ito na trout. Guys. Monster trout, guys. A big one, Jong. Jong. Net, jet, net. Jong, monster na trout ito, Jong. Hindi mo ito makikip, Jong. Yeah, kita-kita ko. Laki. Guys, oh. Oh, dambuhala, oh.
Bawas ang buntot, sir.
Putulan natin buntot, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. He's not happy.
Ataw yung rod na yan, ang lit-lit.
He's not happy, guys. Nakita nyo guys sa trout?
Bumalik ka, umiikot na talaga sila.
Laki oh.
Putik na yan.
So, picture na naman si Jong. Na-picture ba kita kanina? Hindi.
Hindi sir.
Picture kita, wala kang ebidensya. Magaling ito dyan na trout. Papasok to strolling, makakawala to.
Pag ko pinamod, duman na sa harapan ko.
Huli ka kay Jong. Oh, balag din yan Jong. Dadakol Jong, dadakol.
Yung Coast Guard.
Wala yung
Ay,
kaibigan
naguyan
natin.
na siguro yun.
Oo. Ano Jong yung gripper Jong?
Ano kaya yan sir?
Oh,
Dos.
sayang Jong.
Diyan na.
Ah.
Mga pala, dahil parang gripper dito.
Easy. Guys, oh. Basta guys, hindi papasok oh. Mga 22 ito. 21 guys. Sayang guys oh. 21. Sarap putulan ng buntot guys. Picture natin Jong. Jong, picture natin. Hawakan mo ito, picture na kita. Hawakan mo Jong. Meow 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 meow. Ito yung tatawag meow 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 meow. Tulak sa akin forward.
Sorry.
Oh, no.
Yan mo medyo nga. O sige, pwede mo tayo. Nagpapalag eh.
One eternity later.
Huwag mong galawin dyan, huwag mong galawin. Okay dyan, keeper dyan. Diretso, huwag mo lagyan ng slack. Diretso ang reel. Guys, keeper yan guys. Angat diretso dyan, angat diretso. Angat diretso. Bumalik. Dalawang meow. Jong, wala. The same size na naman, Jong.
Pasok sir, pasok.
Tingin mo?
Oo. Suma pa yung kanina.
Tingin mo, meow.
Meow, yan sir, meow.
Meow.
Oo, buntik pa sir.
Jong, pasok yan, Jong. 100%. Ay, nasa gilid sila, Jong.
Meow.
Guys.
Irak na kita.
Meow. Uy, Jong, 18! Pumasok ka, boy.
Yeah.
Oy, hindi kayo babalik ngayon. Dalawa na lang, lalarga na. Dalawa na lang, guys. Hindi yan, meow.
Ilang hawak ng tripod.
Panigurado. Baka mo meow. Guys, sorry guys, na-delay yung camera namin guys. Si Jong, dadakol. Uy,
Guys,
lumampi yung camera ko ah. Makakawala Jong ha. Nasaan yung mga gripper mo? Gamitin mo ang gripper, makakawala yan.
Sakaling ko na.
Okay. Guys, 17
and a half.
Oh, keeper yan boy. Sorry yan, hindi na babalik.
Yo.
Isan lang guys, limit na guys. Isan lang. Isan lang. Yes sir. Kalati mo yung ice natin Jong.
1, 2.
Guys, kakain muna kami guys ha. Sarap itong buhay namin ni Jong guys. Sino mo? Maya pag naglubugan niya yun guys, alam mo na. Tapos kami, magkakain muna kami.
Bago sila kumain, kami muna.
Bakit Jong?
Yes sir.
Lord, thank you po sa pagkain. Thank you sa pagpapayat, pag-iingat sa amin. Salamat sa mga kamay na nag-aarin.
Tatama ko.
Nag-record ba tayo, Jong? Record.
Sir, ayun.
Sama-sama no, dakda kami nagdakdak, hindi pa nag-record. Guys, tuna ito, guys, ito nilaw. With cilantro.
Siya na kayo. Pastor, pag-apusin.
Shout out to Pastor Ron. Wala ka rin naman, Pastor.
Ano pastor? Nagkakit sila ito. Nakakala ka.
Jong. Isa na ano?
Awar no?
Kinilaw. Pansit. Kanin.
Saka pa. Bukas na ako mag-diet.
Nakakahuli oh. Kumakain pa nga oh.
Ano yan?
Ano bang nakain nyo? Kain lang. Huwag ka mag-fishing. Pansit. Kinilaw. Kanin. Grabe sarap pati ng ano. Guys, tuna yan guys ha. Tuna. Tingnan mo si Jong oh. Hindi na tuloy siya makakain kasi yan oh.
Oh, grabe lunok na sir.
Ay, grabing takot to. Jong, pag nakain kasi, Jong, wag katapusin mo magkain. Hindi yung ano,
Gutom na rin.
manghuli, mag-fishing ka na kumakain ka eh. Yan tuloy nakahuli ka.
Sumaba.
Guys, dugo na guys.
Sumaba.
Mag-shipin, Jong. Jong, sabi ko sa Jong, shipin nandun, Jong eh, Jong. Yan, Jong. Oh, sabi ko sa Jong, tambaka sila, Jong. Doon ka magtapon. Just like that, guys. Makakalimit pa tayo rito.
Hindi na sinusukat yan.
Pag unang tapon eh. Sukatin na yan. Taba-taba pa man, Jong. Eh,
Hindi na sinusukat yan sir.
Jong, kapus. Langya ka.
Ha?
14 and a half. Guys, kapus guys. 14.5 guys. Taba pa naman ito. Woo! Fish on, babies! Oh man, you should. Red snapper, yeah.
We'll follow you guys next time.
Yeah,
We'll tag along.
we'll do that. And that thing is capable of
Here they watch you on YouTube right here every day.
Thank you, sir. Hey, you can tell me your name so that I can put it on YouTube.
Mario.
Wait, Mario?
Yes, sir. Mario.
Mario also?
Sergio. Sergio.
Sergio?
You got juniors.
Junior, senior and junior.
Junior right here.
And the kids.
Oh yeah, the kids. Maddox. Nico. Maddox.
Say hi.
Say hi. Y'all say hi.
Oh, guys.
Baby. You guys next time. We'll tag along.
Yes, sir, we'll do that. Guys, well, hanggang ganun na lang muna, guys. Kasi si Jong nanawa, manghuli ng isda. Sabi niya, tama na, uwi na tayo. Pero marami kami guys na huling malalaki, oversized. Kaya hindi namin pwedeng ikip, kaya tinatapon namin. Ayaw niya ng malalaki, guys. Oh.
Pag ginawa natin lahat yung sir, pag hindi tayo nagtapon, yung maliliit sa malalaki, kahit tatlong limit.
Yeah. Guys, hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat sa panonood.
Thank you guys.
English. Thank you for watching, everyone. Fish on! Choo! Choo!